G'day guys, it's Brock here from Window Cleaning World again, and in this video I want to talk about resin. So one of the questions we have often is customers will call up, they've just refilled their tank, maybe they've had it for a little bit of a while, and they test the water coming out of it and it's not reading zero with brand new resin or resin that's been used for a little while. The numbers seem to come up quick. So what is the solution, or what's the answer? So there's a really easy way to check what's going on with your tank. Pretty much every single time it's not the resin, there's just something going on with the tank, and it's really easy to fix. So in this video I'm going to show you really quickly how to do that. So you just simply, this is just a little 4-litre tank here, but it's the same as all our other blue tanks and even our 6-litre, which is a black tank. So you just want to unscrew the tank head, and out with that is this is what we call the riser tube, the bottom basket and the top basket. So we can just go ahead and pull the riser tube out. Now this here is a little bit tricky to get off, but it's not impossible. So to undo this top basket, it's a clockwise turn, and it only turns a little bit. You'll see right now, I'll just get a firm grip on that, and it's just like a slight turn there. Now, what you want to check is on the inside here, you got there's two seals on the tank head. You got your main seal here, which seals to the tank itself. And then there's a seal just in here. It might be a little bit hard to see, but that seal there is very important. It's very important that it's in place and that it's not damaged. So what that seal does is when the riser tube goes up into the tank head, it goes up there and seals. Now, if that seal gets damaged, or that O-ring, if it's damaged, you can have water that goes into the tank and then straight back out of the tank, which completely bypasses the resin. This is the main culprit. If this gets damaged or it's really dry, that can cause odd numbers with measuring your TDS from your DI tank. So that's how you undo that and check that. Now what's really important is check it every time you change your resin. Now we just got these in stock. It's a little 10 grams of silicone grease. So we have them on the website. They're up there for $3 and not expensive. So you just need a little bit of grease. You can put it on this O-ring here, and what that does, that helps that riser tube just seal in there really nicely, and you get a good seal. So that's the main things you want to keep an eye out for. But yeah, just keep an eye on the O-rings here. And to put the basket back on, we just put it there, anti-clockwise turn. You can put your riser tube back in and put your tank back together. So if you have that issue where you're getting a weird TDS reading, check that first. That's usually what's going on. We have all the seals for all our tanks and our RO systems. They're all on the website now. And like I said, we've got the grease now. It's on the website. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below or contact us at the shop. Thanks, guys.